Hi everyone. Our lesson today is about pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are certain words that can take the place of a noun in a sentence. Words that can take the place of a noun in a sentence. First of all, before we start our lesson, let's revise the nouns together. What are nouns? Nouns are people, places, animals, or things. They are divided into 4 groups. Now, people. Here are examples of some nouns that are people. Teacher. A teacher is a person, one person. Doctor, mom, dad. These are common nouns. Common nouns because we don't know who exactly is the teacher. What is her name? What is the name of the doctor? What is the name of this mom? And what is the name of this dad? So these are common nouns. Teacher, doctor, mom, dad. Here, Khalid, Salma, and Ziyad. These are names of certain people, specific names. So these are called proper nouns. These are called proper nouns, and they should always be capital. They should always start with a capital letter. Okay? Now, animals. Animals are also nouns. Cat is a noun. Dog. Okay. Now, if we are talking about one person, only one person, okay? And this person is a man or a boy, let's say. For example, Khalid is a boy in grade 2. If the name Khalid came in a sentence, what pronoun could we use to replace the name Khalid? What is the right pronoun? He or she? What do you think? Excellent. He. And the same thing goes for the men, okay? If we are talking about one man, here, dad. Your dad is a man, right? So, what do we use? What pronoun do we use for dad? He or she? Excellent. So, we used he. Why did we use he? Because your dad is a man. Your dad is a man, so we used he. If dad came in a sentence, we can erase the word dad and write the pronoun he instead of it. Now, for girls, for one girl or one woman, what do we use? What can we use? For example, Selma. Selma is a girl in grade 1, let's say, okay? If Selma came in a sentence, what can we use as a pronoun to replace this name? What can we use? We use the pronoun she. We use the pronoun she, okay? And the same happens when we are talking about one woman. For example, your mom. Your mom is a woman, okay? Your mom is a woman. So, what do we use as a pronoun for mom? What can we use? He or she? Excellent. She. Excellent. So now we know that we use the pronoun he when we are talking about one boy or one man, and we use the pronoun she when the noun is one girl or one woman. Okay? Okay, so let's continue the other groups of nouns. Animals like cat, dog, fish, or sheep. These are called nouns also. These are called nouns. They are examples of animals, okay? When they don't have names, when we don't know what cat, what dog, what fish, what sheep, we don't know exactly who are these animals, okay? These are called common nouns: cat, dog, fish, or sheep. But if the name of the cat is Rocky, for example, or the name of the dog is Rocky, this is a proper noun. Rocky here is a proper noun because we know what exactly is the name. Now, if the name of the fish is Nemo, you all watched Nemo, right? So, if the name of the fish is Nemo, Nemo here is a proper noun, and Rocky and Nemo should always start with capital letters. Now, places. Here, the places can about one cat, one dog, one fish, or one sheep. We use the pronoun it. Okay? We use the pronoun it. Now, places like park, school, mall, and house are nouns. Okay? They are nouns. If we don't know what is the name of the park and what is the name of the school, the mall, or the house, these are called common nouns. But if we know the names like Dream International School and Hayat Mall, these in pink are called proper nouns. And this should always start with a capital letter, okay? If we are talking about one park, or one school, or one mall, or one house, here Dream International School is one school, Hayat Mall is one mall. So, if these came in a sentence and they are only one, what do we use? What pronoun could we use? We should use the pronoun it also. Like when we are talking about one animal, okay? We use it when we are talking about one place too. Now, things like pencil, like book, like bag, like movie, okay? These are common nouns, right? But when we know the name of the book, like a grammar book, for example, this is a proper noun. We know which book. Here, movie. Which movie exactly? If we only said movie, it's common noun. But when we say Toy Story 4, so we know the name of the movie. When we know the name of the movie, this is a proper noun. And it should be capitalized. Now, if we are talking about one thing, like one pencil, or one book, or one bag, or one movie, or one grammar book, or one Toy Story 4 movie, here we can use it as a pronoun, it, okay? So, when we are talking about one thing, we use it. When we are talking about one place, we use the pronoun it. And when we are talking about one animal, we use the pronoun it.